Hello, I am so excited to be inviting you for the first time as a big group to take part in something really special this year. It's a very special Advent event. I know it's only October right now, but I have put together the most beautiful gift box for each of you to enjoy as you join me when we journey through Advent in December. Now, this is a ritual that I've done myself for the past 2 or 3 years. Last year I did it with some friends as well. And we'll be using the Kolorlan system and spending 25 days, each day taking just a few minutes to carve out a little bit of time for mindful relaxation and colouring a special sacred geometry image. I can't reveal the image yet, it's a surprise, but I can tell you it is incredibly special this year. It's something that nobody else has seen from me before from my existing collection of geometries. Now, this is so amazing because I used to hate the winter, actually hate Christmas time if I'm being really honest with you. Back when I had chronic fatigue syndrome, this was just the worst time of year for me. The days got shorter and darker and my immune system would crumble and I would end up just back-to-back illness and feeling exhausted. And every single year for I don't know how many years, come Christmas Day, or if I was very lucky, I might last till the days between Christmas and New Year, I would just have a big crash. And I'd end up in bed, feeling ill, feeling miserable, while all my friends and family were enjoying the festivities. And I've come to realise that part of the reason for that was because I was so disconnected from my own body, from my natural energy field, that I didn't know how to actually enjoy the benefits of winter. Because there is no wrong season in this year. Mother Nature knows exactly what she's doing, and there's a reason why we have these darker, shorter days. And it's actually an opportunity to go within, which is what a lot of us are feeling. You know, we tend to feel that desire to hibernate when society is pushing us to go out and party and do a million things to get ready for the festivities over the Christmas period. But in actual fact, this winter time, traditionally, it was still about light. It was still about connecting with other people, but just not in the way that we do it now. This was much more of a gentle connection, more about sitting around campfires, exchanging stories, supporting one another because the hard work of the year had been done, the harvest had been gathered, and it was a time to reflect, to actually go inwards and heal. And ironically, we still have that tradition because actually when we're getting colds and viruses, they're coming in to help us slow down and release stuff and just tap back into who we really are. So it was when I began to connect with how we're actually designed to operate that I really began to heal. And now I actually love embracing this time of year. I love being able to cozy up in nice warm clothes, gather together with the friends that really mean a lot to me, and we support one another and we reflect on our year, set our intentions for the next year, because this is also a time of sowing seeds. So all of those pieces are what's fed into the offering that I've created in this Advent calendar event. You'll see other videos that show you exactly what you get in terms of the items and how this works in terms of practicality. But I really wanted to share a bit more here about the meaning behind this, and to just say that if this is resonating with you, if you're identifying with the things that I'm describing, if you're curious about this, then that's because you are also ready to experience this deep reset that you will benefit from with my special Kolorlan Advent Calendar event this year. It's going to help you integrate everything that's happened during 2025 and clear out the old stuff that you no longer need, and then open up the way for setting intentions for what you would like to bring in and manifest during 2026. And you're going to be doing this in a very practical way, creating the piece of artwork that's going to be infused with all those beautiful colour frequencies and the sacred geometry frequencies that will support this process. And at the end of this period, you'll have a piece of finished art that supports all of that integration. You can hang it on your wall, stand it somewhere in your home, and it's going to keep infusing all of those beautiful energies into your environments and into you every time you come close to it. Maybe you even want to sit and meditate with it. So you've got this ongoing support to help you actually live out the intentions and manifest the dreams that you wish to experience in the coming year, coming months ahead. So I really hope that you will feel called to join me and many, many others on this. We're going to be doing this as a community in a special private online space. So this even amplifies and magnifies the benefits that we all get to receive. We'll get to connect together much more in that sort of traditional way of sharing quiet time and space and supporting one another. We'll get to reveal our own geometries and images as they're coming through, because each of us is going to create something completely unique. And it's basically going to be a wonderful, magical time that I am so excited to share. So please consider this my personal invitation to you to come and join us for this magical event this year, and I can't wait to see you. So thank you.